In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew hosting. As your website begins to flourish, it's crucial to ensure that your hosting plan is up to date to avoid any interruptions. Let's dive into the process, making it as seamless and straightforward as possible. First, ensure you're logged into your Hostinger account. Begin by navigating to the Hostinger homepage and clicking the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials and click the Sign In button. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your account dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Hosting section. You can typically find this in the main navigation menu. Click on it to view all the hosting plans associated with your account. Now, identify the specific hosting plan you wish to renew. This will generally be listed with a name and details like the expiry date. If you have multiple plans, ensure you select the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. Next, click on the Renew button adjacent to your hosting plan. This action will take you to the Renewal Options page. Here, you'll see various renewal term options, often ranging from 1 month up to several years. Choose a plan term that best fits your needs and budget. Longer terms usually offer a more economical option per month, but ensure it aligns with your projected requirements. Once you've selected your desired term, proceed to the payment section. Hostinger offers multiple payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and sometimes additional regional payment options. Choose your preferred method and enter the required payment details. Double-check the information you've entered to ensure there are no errors. It's always a good idea to briefly review the total amount and term selected to confirm everything is just as you planned. After confirming your payment details, hit the Submit button to complete the transaction. Hostinger will process the payment, and you should receive a confirmation email shortly after. This email will outline your renewed hosting details and the next expiration date. Be sure to save the email and keep a record of the transaction for your records. It's always a good practice to store such important emails in a dedicated folder within your inbox for easy access later on. Now, you've successfully renewed your Hostinger hosting. Your website remains secure and accessible for your visitors. Remember to periodically check your hosting plan details to stay informed of the next renewal date. Setting a reminder on your calendar can help you keep track and avoid any last-minute rushes. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Until next time, happy hosting!